Welcome to the assignment overview 3.09, Tangents to Circles, Part 2. Your assignment could have the following questions. Two secant segments intersect outside a circle as shown. What is the value of x? So we know that we're going to take the full secant line, which is 10 plus 3, which is 13, times the exterior part of the secant line, which is 3, and that's equal to the full secant line, which is x plus 2, times the exterior secant line. So in this case, since we have x plus 2, we're going to distribute 2 to the x and 2 to the 2. That's going to give us 13 times 3 is equal to 2x times 4. Now you can go ahead and solve this 2x plus 4. Now you can go ahead and solve this multi-step equation. You could also have a question that looks like this. Same process applies. Two secant segments intersect outside a circle as shown. So in this case, we're going to say x plus 4 times 4. So that's going to give me 4 x's. So I'm going to multiply both of these times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Oops. 4 times 4 is 16. And that's going to be equal to x minus 5 plus 5. So x minus 5 plus 5, and then times 5. All right, so that means that I'm going to get x times 5, which is going to be 5x. Now I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides, which is going to give me 1x, and that's going to tell me that x is equal to 16. Now, notice they did not ask me for the value of x. So instead, I'm going to go ahead and plug in 16 for x, and I'm going to subtract 5. What is MP? 16 minus 5. ED is a secant. BC is tangent to circle A at point B, that's our tangency, where B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 3. So here, secant lines are total times exterior. So that's going to be 8 times 3. And then tangent lines are squared. So that's going to be equal to a squared. That means that I have to take this 24 and I have to find the square root of it in order to find A. So go ahead and find the square root of 24. Then round to the nearest one decimal place. Here's the other one. ED is a secant. BC is tangent to circle A at point B. A is 10. C is 5. What is the value of B? Ooh, okay. So B plus 5 times 5 is going to be my secant. So B plus 5 times 5 is equal to A squared, or in this case, A is 10. So that's going to be equal to 10 squared. This tells me that 5B plus 25, because I got to distribute, so 5 times B plus 5 times 5, which is 25, is equal to 100. Now you can go ahead and solve this multi-step equation for B. If you have any questions on this lesson, please feel free to reach out.